Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you basic concepts of chemistry, and the subtopic in this chapter is mass, weight and interconversion of temperatures. Now I will explain one by one what is mass, what is weight, what are the differences between mass and weight. First of all, I will discuss what is mass. Mass is the amount of matter present in a substance. It remains constant at every places. Mass remains constant at every places. Mass never be changed from place to place. SI unit of mass is kg. International system of unit is kg. Analytical balance is used to measure the mass. Mass can be measured by analytical balance. Now come to the point, weight. Weight, first of all we define the weight. What is weight? It is the force exerted. It is the force exerted by gravity on an object. It varies from place to place. Force changes from place to place. Its unit is Newton. Force की unit Newton है. It is measured by a spring balance and mass is measured by analytical balance. W is equal to mg. W means weight of the object, m mass of the object, g is the gravity. Mass, g is the gravity acting on the body. Now, simple question is that suppose that a body है, a body of 36 kg at earth. E मतलब earth. Suppose that body is kept to the moon. What will be the weight? Body का weight क्या होगा? Weight. तो body का weight of body at moon, that will be equal to 36 divided by 6. That is 6 kg at moon. मून पर जब हम बॉडी को ले जाएंगे तो इसका वेट हो जाएगा 36 kg, सॉरी 6 kg ओनली. क्यों? मून की ग्रेविटी g/6 एक्ट होती है अर्थ की ग्रेविटी से. g/6 मून की ग्रेविटी एक्ट होती है. जितना वेट हमारा होगा उसमें 6 से डिवाइड कर देंगे मून को, उस बॉडी का वेट होगा. It means that weight varies from place to place, from one gravity to another gravity, but mass always remains constant. It is clear. And a question is arise also in this topic, volume. Volume means the space occupied by an object is called its volume. Volume means जो space occupy करता है, कोई object है जितना space occupy करेगा वो उसका ऑब्जेक्ट होती है, उसका वॉल्यूम होता है. इसकी यूनिट होती है लेंथ क्यूब. लेंथ की यूनिट मीटर है तो मीटर क्यूब भी लिख सकते हैं. दैट विल बी रिटन मीटर क्यूब ऑल्सो. दिस इज द यूनिट. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, इंटरकन्वर्जन ऑफ टेम्परेचर्स. हाउ द टेम्परेचर्स कैन बी इंटरकन्वर्टेड फ्रॉम वन स्केल टू अनदर स्केल. देयर आर जनरली 4 scales: centigrade scales, Reaumur scales, Fahrenheit scales, Kelvin scales. This is the relation of the formula among all the temperatures for the conversion of temperatures. Now the question I have given to understand the formula: change 100 degrees centigrade into Fahrenheit, Reaumur and Kelvin scale. ये क्वेश्चन दिया गया है, इसको कैसे चेंज करेंगे इस फॉर्मूले में अप्लाई कर देंगे. सेंटीग्रेड और फॉरेनहाइट दिया गया है C/5, दैट विल बी इक्वल टू R/4. नाउ पुटिंग द वैल्यू हियर, द टेम्परेचर इज गिवन 100 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. नाउ पुटिंग 100 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड at the place of centigrade and R/4, that will be cut off 20. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. आफ्टर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई R is equal to 80 डिग्री Reaumur. यानी 100 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड की वैल्यू 100 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड इज इक्वल टू 8 डिग्री र्यूमर स्केल पर 8 डिग्री होगा। केल्विन स्केल में अगर फाइंड करना है तो केल्विन स्केल इज इक्वल टू सेंटीग्रेड स्केल प्लस 273.15। सेंटीग्रेड स्केल पर जो दिया गया है 100 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड उसमें 273.15 प्लस कर देंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 373.15 केल्विन। ये केल्विन स्केल में आ गया। नाउ द सेंटीग्रेड टेम्परेचर इज चेंज्ड इनटू रिवर स्केल एंड केल्विन स्केल both, and the remaining point is that it will be changed into Fahrenheit scale. Now apply this formula here. C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. We get the temperature. Applying C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. Now very simple question. We put the value. Centigrade is given already, 100 degree centigrade. This is given in the numericals. Centigrade is given already, 100 degree C. It will be changed into Fahrenheit. How it can be changed? Applying this formula, C by 5, F minus 32 by 9. F means Fahrenheit scale. This is the symbolic representation for the Fahrenheit scale. Now we cut off here 5 से कट कर देंगे 20 आ गया। By applying cross multiplication method, by applying cross multiplying, F minus 32 is equal to 20 into 9. 20 into 9, that will be equal to what? F minus 32 is equal to 180. Now by transposing method, when that will be transposed, F is equal to minus 30 will be transposed from left side to right side. 180 plus 32. F is equal to 200, that is Fahrenheit, 212 degree Fahrenheit. It means that one temperature can be converted into different scales. Meaning is that we will see in the questions 100 degree centigrade is equal to 30 degree र्यूमर is equal to 373.15 Kelvin, and that will be also equal to 212 degree Fahrenheit. Means one temperature is converted into another scales, that is called interconversion of temperatures. Is it clear? I hope that all concepts should be clear. If you get any problem, ask to me. I will give questions for your homework. Homework question, note down. Change temperature of 60 degree centigrade into र्यूमर scale, Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin. R means र्यूमर, F Fahrenheit and Kelvin scale. This will be the questions. And second question, write down what is difference between mass and weight. There are 2 questions for your homework. Thank you. Best of luck. Okay.